Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Qaeda Azam Rangers School Sakha. Day is Thursday, 8 April 2021. Okay, your subject is history and I am your teacher Aisha. Now today we have learned about chapter number 4. Then topic is revival movement in the Muslim world. How many revival movement are Muslim world? There are many scholars such as we read in this chapter. Revival movements were the struggle of freedom started in the part of Islamic world such as Asia, Africa and India. Many scholars came forward to enlighten the Muslims to fight for their rights and free their country from European and British. The first ruler, the first scholar who came forward is Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani, who was born in 1838 in Iran. His famous title is Al-Afghani, suggested his Afghan Persian heritage. As a history of Islam, modern times, Jamaluddin Afghani, who is an advocate for a pan-Islamic unity, along with his associate Muhammad Abda, have been credited as forerunner of Islamic revival. Second scholar is Mufti Muhammad Abda. He was born in 1849 in Egypt. He believed that people should learn the importance of independence and freedom thoughts and opinion. He is also a student of Mufti Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani. Sheikh Abda was an Egyptian Islamic jurist, religious scholar, and a liberal reformer, regarded as one of the key founding figures of Islamic modernism. He was a student of Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani and a philosopher, Muslim religious reformer who advocated pan-Islamic to resist European colonialism. The third one is Imam Banjul. He was born in a religious Muslim family in 772 in Indonesia. He is famous leader of Padri movement and national hero of Indonesia. Imam Banjul wanted to stop Muslims from practicing non-Islamic rules and follow the teaching of the Holy Quran. A banknote was also issued for the effort of Banjul from Indonesian government. Here is a picture of a banknote you can see in my slide. The fourth one is Mehdi Sodani. He was born in Sudan in 1844. He was a religious scholar in Sudan. He created an Islamic state after defeating the British forces. Mehdi Sodani fought against the Egyptian Empire, then he defeated the British forces and extended his Islamic state from Red Sea to Central Africa. Mehdi Sodani is known as Muslim revivalist who gave recognition to his nation. I hope you understood me. You have to read the book pages of page number 56 and 57, then answer the following question. Who is Jamaluddin Afghani? Number 2. When and where was Mufti Muhammad Abda born? Why Imam Banjul famous for in Indonesia? What was the original name of Mehdi Sodani? Listen to me carefully. You have to first read the book page 56 and 57, then solve this question. How can you solve this question? Do this question on color paper and paste on your history register on history question. I hope you understood me. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.